10-step guide to transferring your 401k to a physical Gold IRA rollover. In today's uncertain economy, protecting retirement assets is crucial. Converting a 401k into a physical Gold IRA offers financial stability and growth. This guide outlines the 10 steps needed for this rollover. 1. Understand basics. Know the differences between a 401k and a Gold IRA. 2. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet criteria like being over 59.5 or having left your employer. 3. Choose a custodian. Pick a reputable custodian to manage the Gold IRA. 4. Open account. Complete necessary paperwork to open a Gold IRA account. 5. Initiate rollover. Start transferring funds from your 401k. 6. Direct versus indirect rollovers. Decide whether to transfer funds directly or handle them yourself within 60 days. 7. Select investments. Choose gold bullion, coins, or bars. 8. Secure storage. Ensure gold is stored in an IRS-approved depository. 9. Manage IRA. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio. 10. Understand taxes. Know the tax implications of rollovers and distributions. Following these steps ensures a smooth 401k to Gold IRA rollover, diversifying and protecting retirement assets with physical gold. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.